Hey guys, this is Small Engines Rule, and here is my Mcculloch, either 21, 33 or 40 cc, actually 20 to 40 cc. It's a streamer engine 2-stroke. I need to get a spark plug cap for it. The threads on the end of this, the shafts are broken, so I can't get the crank off. I'm planning to make a mounting, because in there, you see the washer between that screw in there and there, there's a washer there, and I was planning to get a piece of metal that thick and then mount that to a base. And then on the back here, I unscrew those a little bit, and then mount those to a base. And then I can run it. And I just need a carb and a fuel tank, but that shouldn't be too bad. Check the piston, there's absolutely no sign of scoring. I don't think it's actually been used that much. It has spark. The ignition is electronic due to a coil and some circuit board. I was trying to get the cap to work, but fortunately I don't have a right angle cap. Here's a string. I was turning it over really fast yesterday. I don't know why, I just wanted to. The screwdrivers. So yeah, here is my Mcculloch. Thanks for watching, guys. And this is Small Engines Rule. I'm taking video requests. If you want a video of any of my engines, please rate, comment and subscribe. Thanks, guys.